Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mahfuz Rahman, Senior Teacher English, Borkolajjat High School. Dear learners, how are you? I welcome you from the site of Borkolajjat High School in online class. Before my starting the class, I am going to tell you about the rules of health. You know that coronavirus is prevailing in our country. At this moment, all of us should be careful about it. At first, we have to use mask. Then we have to maintain social distance, at least 3 feet social distance. You always maintain. Then try to avoid crowded area as far as possible. Because you know that coronavirus is an infectious disease. If you keep touch with the people, you may be affected by coronavirus. So you should be careful about it, and you should try to avoid crowded area as far as possible. Let's start our class. Today I will teach you in the first paper. Unit 3. Look at the board. Unit 3, lesson 3, page 33. Now take and open your book. Today I teach you lesson 3. The title of the passage, International Mother Language Day. Now I am reading the passage with Bengali meaning. 21st February is a memorial day in our national history. 21 February হচ্ছে আমাদের জাতীয় জীবনে একটি স্মরণীয় দিন। We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. আমরা প্রত্যেক বছর দিনটি আন্তর্জাতিক মাতৃভাষা দিবস হিসেবে উদযাপন করি। The day is a national holiday. দিনটি হচ্ছে জাতীয় ছুটির দিন। On this day, we pay tribute to the mothers who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. এই দিন আমরা সেই সব শহীদদেরকে স্মরণ করি যারা 1952 সালে অবিভক্ত পাকিস্তানে একটি রাষ্ট্রভাষা হিসেবে বাংলাকে প্রতিষ্ঠিত করার জন্য জীবন উৎসর্গ করেছিল। They struggled to achieve our language rights is known as the language movement. এবং ভাষার অধিকার অর্জনের সংগ্রামটি ভাষা আন্দোলন হিসেবে পরিচিত। The seat of the language movement was sown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. অর্থাৎ ভাষা আন্দোলনের 1948 সালে 21 মার্চ বহন করা হয়েছিল, যখন পাকিস্তানের গভর্নর জেনারেল মোহাম্মদ আলী জিন্নাহ ঢাকার একটি জনসভায় ঘোষণা করেছিলেন যে উর্দু হবে পাকিস্তানের একমাত্র রাষ্ট্রভাষা। The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. ঘোষণাটি দেশের পূর্বাঞ্চলের প্রতিবাদের ঝড় তুলেছিল। The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. এবং প্রতিবাদটি অনবরত চলেছিল, gathering momentum day by day, দিন দিনে প্রতিবাদ ছিল। It turned into a movement, এটি একটি আন্দোলনে পরিণত হয়েছিল, and reached its climax in 1952. 1952 সালে এটি চূড়ান্ত পরিণতিতে পৌঁছেছিল। The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. এবং সরকার এটা বন্ধ করার জন্য সকল প্রকার জনসভা এবং মিছিল নিষিদ্ধ ঘোষণা করেছিল। At this moment I have finished this passage. Now I am giving the important and difficult word of this passage. Word meaning. Observe. Observe means উদযাপন করা। What is the synonym of observe? You must have both experience about synonym. If you do not have any idea about synonym, you cannot stop word. So to increase word stock, you must know synonym. Observe. What is the synonym of observe? Celebrate. That means observe and celebrate same meaning. Observe and celebrate same meaning. This is synonym. Then tribute. Bengali meaning Shraddha. What is the synonym of tribute? Tribute means Shraddha. That is respect, honor, homage. Respect, honor, homage. These words are the synonym of tribute, Shraddha. Then lay down. Bengali meaning আত্মত্যাগ করা. What is the synonym of lay down? There are many words of lay down. I am writing one word: sacrifice. Sacrifice. Then momentum. Bengali meaning goti. What is the synonym of momentum? What is the synonym of momentum? You should know different synonym, because if you know different synonym, you will be able to translate any and speak fluently and translate very fluently. We see that momentum, goti, motion. Next word, outlaw. Bengali meaning নিষিদ্ধ করা. What is the synonym of outlaw? Many words. I am writing one word: forbid. Another word: ban. Another word: prohibit. Then next word: procession. Bengali meaning michil. What is the synonym of procession? Many words. There are many words of procession. I am writing one word. Then you see rally. Write down this word quickly. I am giving 1 minute time. Within 1 minute, you have to write this sentence. You have to write this word. Then I will give you some question from this passage. Today, I have finished. I am going to finish my class. Dear student, you try to understand the passage. Then you know that from the passage, multiple choice and different questions are given from that and are given from the passage. So you should have clear idea about the passage. I have taught you the passage very clearly. you should practice in at home. You should practice at home, and I have given some tasks in on board, so you should follow this board and this lesson. Next class, I will teach you another lesson. Good, thank you very much.